You need to watch this if you struggle with getting customers. Online listings could be your game changer. Imagine this. A new customer is looking for the perfect coffee shop, hotels, and many more, and boom, your business pops up first in their search results. That's the magic of online listings. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson working for you. Not only do these listings increase your visibility, but they also build trust. Reviews and ratings, they speak volumes. Plus, it's super cost-effective. Most platforms offer basic listings for free, as well as paid also, like www.justlookon.com. So, stop missing out on potential customers. Get your business online on www.justlookon.com and let the internet work its magic. Your future customers are just a click away. Now list your business on www.justlookon.com. Ready to get started? Let's do this.